Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering materials and safety gear for waterproofing a small boat hull. Gather 100 ml epoxy resin and 50 G filler for bonding. Add 100% silicone sealant for flexible seams and marine-grade paint for UV protection. Mark all plank edges with a 1/2 inch allowance and plan a 3/5 inch overlap where panels will join. Work in a ventilated area and wear an N95 mask, nitrile gloves, and eye protection during every mixing step. Begin assembly by aligning panels precisely and clamping them at even intervals. Apply epoxy along the 1/2 inch seam and press panels to achieve a 3/5 inch overlap. Fill any gaps with the 50 G filler until surfaces are flush and even. Allow the epoxy and filler to cure undisturbed for 24 hours at room temperature. After curing, sand smooth with medium grit. Then apply 2 coats of marine paint and a continuous bead of silicone to internal joints. Perform a float test in calm, shallow water for at least 30 minutes before carrying passengers. Check for slow leaks and revisit any seams showing bubbles, irritation, or dampness. Inspect all seams and paint every 6 months and touch up with epoxy, filler, paint, or silicone as needed. Rinse the hull with fresh water after saltwater outings and dry completely before storing. Store the boat upside down on padded supports and keep it shaded from direct sunlight to extend waterproofing life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.